Right now, RAG is the single most critical skill any AI engineer can have. Let me walk you through exactly how it works behind the scenes, and I'll point you to a free resource at the end. Step 1 is start with your documents, PDFs, web pages, Slack messages, whatever you're working with. You break these down into chunks, but not randomly. You split them at semantic boundaries. Think paragraphs or sections, and you keep a small overlap between each chunk. That overlap makes sure you don't lose surrounding context when a chunk gets retrieved. Step 2 is to pass each chunk through an embedding model. This turns your text into a high-dimensional vector, essentially a list of numbers that captures the meaning of that chunk. Chunks covering similar topics will end up with vectors that sit close to each other. Step 3 is to store all those vectors in a database. Tools like Pinecone, Weaviate, or PGVector are built exactly for this so you can retrieve the right vectors when you need them. Step 4 is when a user asks a question, you embed that question the same way you embedded your chunks. You then search your database for the closest matching vectors. Using Cosine similarity, pull back the original text from those chunks and feed it into your large language model as context so that the LLM can use that information to answer accurately. That might sound like a lot, but what I just described is actually the simplest version of RAG. Production RAG is a completely different story. If you want to go deeper, then check out this free lecture by Doug Turnbull, who led searches at both Reddit and Shopify. Drop search in the comments and I'll send you the link.